Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some nanotechnology trivia. What is the study and application of extremely small things across various fields of science? Is it A, atomic study, or B, microbiology, or C, nanotechnology, or D, quantum physics? The correct answer is C, nanotechnology. What is the typical size range of structures studied in nanotechnology, measured in nanometers? A, 500-600 nanometers, or B, 100 nanometers, or C, 200-300 nanometers, or D, 100-200 nanometers. Now let's go through the possible solutions. A, 500-600 nanometer, B, 100 nanometers, C, 200-300 nanometer, D, 100-200 nanometer. The correct answer is B, 100 nanometers. Which molecule consisting of 60 carbon atoms is often referred to as a buckyball? Is it A, Buckminster fullerene, or B, fullerite, or C, benzene ring, or D, carbon dodecahedron? The correct answer is A, Buckminster fullerene. What is the prefix used to denote 1/1000th of a meter? A, milli, or B, micro, or C, pico, or D, nano? The correct answer is D, nano. Which method uses a sharp probe to scan surfaces at the atomic level? Is it A, atomic force microscopy, or B, scanning tunneling microscopy, or C, electron microscopy, or D, proton microscopy? The correct answer is A, atomic force microscopy. What is the name of the nanotechnology material composed of a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice? A, graphene, or B, carbon nanotubes, or C, fullerene, or D, diamond lattice? The correct answer is A, graphene. Which field of study focuses on the creation of nanoscale materials using biological systems? Is it A, physics, or B, biochemistry, or C, microbiology, or D, bionanotechnology? The correct answer is D, bionanotechnology. What is a nanoparticle composed of semiconductor materials called? Is it A, quantum particles, or B, nanoid, or C, quantum dot, or D, photovoltaic cell? The correct answer is C, quantum dot. Which nanotechnology technique involves the deposition of layers one atom at a time? Is it A, layer-by-layer assembly, or B, photochemical vapor deposition, or C, atomic layer deposition, or D, molecular beam epitaxy? The correct answer is C, atomic layer deposition. Which type of nanomaterial is known for its exceptional strength and electrical conductivity? Is it A, fullerene, or B, metallic nanowire, or C, graphene oxide, or D, carbon nanotube? The correct answer is D, carbon nanotube. What is the phenomenon called when materials exhibit different properties at the nanoscale compared to their bulk form? Is it A, microscale phenomenon, or B, quantum entanglement, or C, nanoscale effect, or D, quantum confinement? The correct answer is D, quantum confinement. What is the name of the process that involves the self-assembly of molecules into nanostructures? Is it A, build-up process, or B, self-assembly, or C, nanostructuring, or D, molecular construction? The correct answer is B, self-assembly. What is the field that combines nanotechnology with medicine to diagnose and treat diseases? Is it A, biomedical nanotechnology, or B, nanohealthcare, or C, nanoengineering, or D, nanomedicine? The correct answer is D, nanomedicine. What is the technique called that uses light to manipulate nanoparticles? A. Photonic handling, or B. Light nanomanipulation, or C. Optical tweezers, or D. Optical pincers. The correct answer is C. Optical tweezers. What is the application of nanotechnology to electronics known as? Is it A. Quantum electronics, or B. Microelectronics, or C. Nanoelectronics, or D. Nanotechnology circuitry? The correct answer is C. Nanoelectronics. What is the process of creating nanostructures using DNA molecules called? Is it DNA microfolding, or B. DNA origami, or C. DNA nanofabrication, or D. Genetic sculpting? The correct answer is B. DNA origami. Which type of nanotechnology involves the use of organic molecules to create nanoscale devices? Is it A. Inorganic nanotechnology, or B. Bio-nanotechnology, or C. Molecular nanotechnology, organic nanotechnology? The correct answer is D. Organic nanotechnology. What is the common abbreviation for atomic force microscopy? A. AAFM, or C, or D. ACF? The correct answer is B. AFM. Which material used in nanotechnology is composed of silicon and oxygen? A. Silica, or B. Sand, or C. Silicon dioxide, or D. Silicone? The correct answer is A. Silica. What is the term for nanomaterials that are created using bottom-up techniques? Is it A. Self-assembled nanostructures, or B. Bottom-up, or C. Top-down nanomaterials, or D. Molecular nanotechnology? The correct answer is B. Bottom-up. What is the technique called that involves the use of a beam of ions to etch nanoscale patterns? A. Laser etching, or B. Ionized carving, or C. Focused ion beam, or D. Nanobeaming? The correct answer is C. Focused ion beam. Which nanomaterial is commonly used in sunscreens for its UV blocking properties? Is it A. Zinc oxide, or B. Carbon nanotubes, or C. Titanium dioxide, or D. Silica nanoparticles? The correct answer is C. Titanium dioxide. What is the name of the nanoscale transistors that are used in modern electronic devices? Is it A. Nanotrax, or B. FinFET, or C. PicoFET, or D. Quantum transistor? The correct answer is B. FinFET. What is the name of the process that uses nanomaterials to remove contaminants from water? Is it A. Nanocatalysis, or B. Nanoremediation, or C. Nanoabsorption, or D. Nanofiltration? The correct answer is B. Nanoremediation. Which nanotechnology technique involves the controlled growth of nanowires? Is it A. SPM, or BMB, or C. VLS, or D. FEB? The correct answer is C. VLS. What is the term for nanoscale materials that exhibit magnetic properties? Is it A. Nanoelectromagnetic, or B. Nanomagnet, or C. Nanoferromagnetic, or D. Nanoparticles? The correct answer is B. Nanomagnet. What is the name of the device that uses nanotechnology to generate electricity from mechanical movements? Is it A. Nanogenerator, or B. Nanoconverter, or C. Nanotransducer, or D. Nanoharvester? The correct answer is A. Nanogenerator. What is the term for the creation of nanoscale patterns using lithography techniques? A. Nanolithography, B. Macrolithography, C. Microfabrication, D. Nanofabrication. A. Nanolithography, or B. Macrolithography, or C. Microfabrication, or D. Nanofabrication? The correct answer is A. Nanolithography. Which type of nanotechnology is used to create high-strength, lightweight materials? A. Nanophotonics, or B. Nanocomposite, or C. Nanomagnetism, or D. Nanoelectronics. The correct answer is B. Nanocomposite. What is the term for the use of nanotechnology to create new materials with enhanced properties? Is it A. Nanocompositing, or B. Nanofabrication, or C. Nanomodulation, or D. Nanoengineering? The correct answer is B. Nanofabrication. What is the name of the process that involves the synthesis of nanomaterials using chemical vapor deposition? Is it A. Sintering, or B. Sol-Gel process, or C. Electrochemical deposition, or D. CVD? The correct answer is DVD. Which type of microscopy uses electrons to visualize nanostructures? A. TM, or B. STM, or C. Light microscopy, or D. Phase contrast microscopy? The correct answer is TEM. Which nanotechnology technique involves the use of laser ablation? Is it A. Molecular beam epitaxy, or B. Electron beam lithography, or C. Laser ablation, or D. Dip pen lithography? The correct answer is C. Laser ablation. What is the term for the nanoscale manipulation of light? A. Microphotonics, or B. Nanophotonics, or C. Photonic manipulation, or D. Nanoillumination? The correct answer is B. Nanophotonics. What is the name of the process that involves the formation of nanostructures through chemical reduction? Is it A. Nanolithography, B. Chemical reduction, C. Electrochemical synthesis, or D. Chemical vapor deposition? The correct answer is B. Chemical reduction. What is the name of the phenomenon where materials exhibit unique optical properties at the nanoscale? Is it A. Metamaterials, or B. Plasmonics, or C. Photolithography, or D. Nanolithography? The correct answer is B. Plasmonics. Which type of nanomaterial is used in the development of sensors for detecting chemical and biological agents? Is it A. Gold nanoparticle, or B. Silver nanowires, or C. Carbon nanotubes, or D. Graphene oxide? The correct answer is A. Gold nanoparticle. Which nanotechnology technique involves the use of magnetic fields to control the assembly of nanoparticles? A. Spin coating, or B. Atomic layer deposition, or C. Nanoparticle synthesis, or D. Magnetic assembly? The correct answer is D. Magnetic assembly. What is the term for the nanoscale manipulation of chemical reactions? Is it A. Nanomanipulation, or B. Nanoengineering, or C. Nanoreaction, or D. Nanocatalysis? The correct answer is D. Nanocatalysis. Which type of nanomaterial is used in the creation of transparent conductive films? A. ITO, or B. Graphene, or C. Fullerene, or D. Carbon nanotubes? The correct answer is ATO. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.